Guys, got in touch with this customer because his engine management light come on with a code 89. It's a 1.4 petrol turbo Mokka, and he's done some research and it turns out the 89 code is glow plugs. So I thought maybe we can come and do a correct diagnostic assessment today. So these thermostat housing have a pulse width modulated thermostat housing on them. So it's controlled by the PCM, and it is pulled to ground, and then it will sort of pulses like this. And the more it pulses, the more it'll open, or the less it pulses, the less it'll open. So that's saying there that there's an open circuit on that circuit. So let's go and do some tests and see if we can find out what those faults are. So over here we have a coolant flange, and that is where our, you can see it just down in there. That sensor there is our coolant temp sensor. And then if we come over to the water pump housing over here, you can see just in there where my leads are is the thermostat housing there. So it's just tucked in behind those hoses there. So the first test I'm going to do is my leads onto those posts and check for resistance. Ideally, you want it between sort of around 15 ohms of resistance on there. As you can see, that is overloaded. Means there's too much resistance in there. You can't get any current coming through. It's too much high resistance. And there's one more test we want to do, just to make sure that the PCM hasn't damaged the thermostat housing, and that is test the wires back to the ECU on the PCM. So this time we're going to go into the plug. Going to connect that to a test light. There's our test light there. We're going to come, as you can see, the light is off. We're going to come to our scan tool where we can open and close the thermostat housing. We're going to increase the pulse width going to it, so it's gone up to 9% there now. And you can see that's flashing. If I keep increasing that, that flash should get quicker. Now, turned it all the way down, it's gone off. So that's telling us that the PCM is working, the wires to the thermostat housing is working, and our actual issue is the thermostat housing itself. So we're going to strip that down and put a new one in. So that's done. Engine management light is off, and cooling system is bled up. So this customer now can drive to the holiday without an issue. I would have liked to have filmed a bit more of it, but it's way too hot and it was way too cramped in there to get any sort of angle in there to show you. But that's how you diagnose it. Maybe watch something else on how you can fix it.